Robotics, Mr. CHOW-MILLER here. But you already knew that, didn't you? Yes, you did. Okay, you're going to look up here because I'm going to show you everything you need. You've got several steps to take. The first step is to make sure you build the 9 linkages. If you don't know how or where to get that information, you go into Canvas Unit 5 and you look up here where it says Introduction and Procedure. That lists the 9 numbered linkages you have to build, and it has the link to the book where it shows you how to build. Once you've built those 9 linkages, you go here to the next part where it says what is a linkage, and it gives you 3 steps you have to follow to make your own video. It even has a video that explains how to make your video. We looked at that in class on Wednesday, so it should not be too confusing for you. Let me break it down again. Once you've built your 9 linkages, you go to what is a linkage. You take a picture of your 9 linkages. That's the first part of your video. You then have to explain how a linkage works using one of the linkages to actually show. Use words like input motion and output motion and describe those motions. The third part of your video, I want you to see that you can modify one of your linkages. That does not have to be anything fancy. Just take a longer beam or a shorter beam or a different shaped beam or a longer axle or shorter axle or a different size gear or wheel, just so that your linkage turns a little bit differently after you've modified it. Once you've done that video, you should submit it. Submit it right here where it says what is a linkage. You'll notice that there's a little pencil there. That means that's an assignment submission. If you can't submit it or you're having trouble submitting it, show it to Mr. Kirsten, the guest teacher. Once he's seen it, then you are free to start trying to build your own robot that moves using linkages. Once again, build 9. Take a picture. Describe how a linkage works. Modify a linkage. Put all that information together in a video. Once you've shown that video to the guest teacher, you are then free and allowed to go ahead and try to build a robot that moves using linkages. Thank you.